to share with you booties that I created and are my favorite. To start off with, most of these patterns that I'm about to show you have a video and a written pattern, and all the written patterns and videos are listed down below if you're interested. This one I did quite a long time ago on my channel. It's the Crocodile Stitch Adult Booties. You can adjust it according to your foot size, and this one of course is listed down below. It's really fun and comfortable. It's great to make with like really soft thick yarn, so that one is one of my favorites. Here is the baby crocodile stitch bootie. This one is one of my popular booties on my channel. It's listed down below. I made this with a very colorful soft yarn. They are so cute when finished and look really adorable on the baby. If you're looking for a toddler size bootie, here is the perfect size for the toddler. It's similar to the baby crocodile stitch bootie, but this one is designed for a toddler size. This little bootie slip-on is for newborns to 3-month-olds, and it has a really cute rose embellishment. That one is listed down below. This is another crocodile stitch bootie, but this one is for the elementary student, so it's a size bigger. And this one is great for any child that is looking for a bootie. You could even make it without the crocodile stitch on top and just make the bootie part of it. This bootie is great for 6 to 12-month-olds, and this is a red heart pattern that I have permission to use. It's really cute. It goes all the way past the ankle, and it's great for any type of shower gift. Great to make for any little baby. So that was my last bootie pattern that I created on my channel. All of these patterns that I showed you have a video listed down below as well as a written pattern. I hope you enjoyed them, and tell me which one is your favorite. Make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell